Removing an M.2 boot adapter and M.2 drive. Remove the server cover. Disconnect the M.2 boot adapter cables from the system board.
Remove the PCIe adapter that secures the M.2 adapter from the chassis. Disconnect the power cable and signal cable from the M.2 boot adapter.
Remove the M.2 drives from the M.2 boot adapter. Remove the screw that secures the M.2 boot adapter to the PCIe adapter. Loosen the captive screw on the M.2 boot adapter. Slide the M.2 boot adapter out slightly and carefully separate it from the PCIe adapter.